Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour to the Lago 69 hike in Huaraz with very minimal price, without any agency or guide. This is the collectivo that I took from Huaraz and they charge 8 sols until Yungay for the lake. After a short breakfast in Yungay, I am heading towards the taxi stand to find a taxi in sharing or something. So to go to the lake, I found another taxi and I'm just taking a drop. And for return way, I will take another taxi and they run until 3 p.m. It's 10 a.m. right now, so it should be fine hopefully. And they are charging 25 sols per person, whereas there was another taxi guy who asked for 100 plus to drop there. So yeah, you have to negotiate and see who's the right person to get into. So here I am traveling with the locals. It is heavily crowded. You can see it's all the local people here. This is the first lake called Chinancocha, and after that will come the Langanuco lake. This is a bumpy ride. You can see the taxi is wobbling all around. Road is not good at all. So this is the entry point until which I got dropped, and the interesting part is that we did not pay any entrance fee of the reserve park because the guy just drove as he's local and carrying all the local people. That is the Langanuco lake. Guys, I must say it is such a beautiful hike to do, with so many waterfalls and water streams gushing around, and the views of the snow-clouded mountain. That's something which is amazing. Walking at an altitude of 4,000 plus, with peaks around 6,000 plus, glacier, lots of waterfalls, lots of water streams gushing around, vegetation, greenery, flowers and some cattle. It is a perfect hike to do. So now I am at 4,300 meters, and from here Lago 69 is just 1 hour away, and I am trying to hurry as fast as possible because on the way back I don't know if I will find a collectivo or something to go back to the city, so it's gonna be tough. Let's see. The trail till the Lago 69 is perfectly marked. Now we are at 4,604 meters altitude. Look at this amazing view. This is worth the hike. So guys, almost after 3 hours I am at Laguna 69, and you can see that there is literally no one. I was all alone on the path hiking upwards. There were some hikers who were going down. They were with an agency, but I came all solo, without any plan, without any cab a taxi planning. I didn't book any taxi, I just hopped into a village taxi and came. It's 5:30, getting dark. I'm all alone on the path, just with some of these cattle that I see. So I don't know if I am lucky or not. It's already 5:30 p.m. and I'm almost about to reach the road from where I can find something to go back to Yungay, but I'm doubtful. I don't think I'll find anything, and I will have to walk 20 to 23 kilometers to go down to Yungay. So I found a taxi that is going in another direction to another town, and I'm thinking about sleeping there, and tomorrow early morning I can go back to Yungay, where I kept my luggage in a restaurant where I ate my breakfast. This is another taxi that's going to Yungay, so I'm just shifting there. So I have arrived in Yungay, and from here there are buses to Lima, so I'm just trying to book one and go to Lima. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.